The Cosori Air Fryer Pro 5 Cute. Air fryer is a remarkable kitchen appliance that offers an array of features to enhance your cooking experience. With its sleek design and innovative technology, this air fryer is a must-have for any culinary enthusiast. One of the standout features of the Cosori Air Fryer Pro is its temperature control functionality. With the ability to adjust the temperature according to your specific cooking needs, you can achieve perfect results every time. Whether you're frying, roasting, or baking, this air fryer ensures precise heat distribution for even cooking. The built-in timer is another advantageous feature of this product. With the ability to set the cooking time, you can multitask without worrying about overcooking your food. The timer also alerts you when your desired cooking time is complete, ensuring that your meals are cooked to perfection. For those who prefer manual control, the Cosori Air Fryer Pro offers a user-friendly interface.
Number 2. The Instant Vortex Plus 6 QT. Air fryer is an exceptional kitchen appliance that offers a range of features designed to enhance your cooking experience. With its programmable functions and stylish stainless steel design, this air fryer is a valuable addition to any modern kitchen. One of the standout features of the Instant Vortex Plus is its programmability. This allows you to easily set the cooking time and temperature to achieve perfect results every time. Whether you're cooking crispy fries, juicy chicken wings, or even desserts, this air fryer makes it effortless to achieve the ideal level of crispiness and tenderness. The product dimensions of 12.8D into 11.8W into 14.9H ensure that this air fryer is compact enough to fit on your countertop without taking up too much space. Despite its size, it offers a generous capacity of 6 quarts, allowing you to cook larger portions or accommodate the needs of a family. In terms of design, the Instant Vortex Plus features an elegant stainless.
Number 3. The Ninja AF101 Air Fryer that crisps is a remarkable and versatile kitchen appliance. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing, I can confidently say that this air fryer delivers outstanding performance and functionality. One of the standout features of the Ninja AF101 air fryer is its programmable settings. This allows users to easily customize their cooking experience, ensuring optimal results every time. Whether you're looking to air fry, roast, reheat, or dehydrate, this appliance has got you covered. In terms of dimensions, the product measures at 8.5 inches in diameter, 12.1 inches in width, and 11 inches in height. These compact dimensions make it a great fit for any kitchen countertop, without taking up too much space. The sleek gray color adds a touch of elegance to the overall design, seamlessly blending with any kitchen decor. With a 4-quart capacity, the Ninja AF101 air fryer offers plenty of room to cook for the entire family.
Number 4. The Gourmet Air Fryer Oven Digital Display. The Gourmet Air Fryer Oven Digital Display is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines the functionality of an air fryer and an oven, making it a must-have for any cooking enthusiast. With its special features including temperature control, timer, automatic shutoff, and programmability, this air fryer oven offers a convenient and efficient cooking experience. One of the standout features of this product is its precise temperature control. With the ability to adjust the temperature according to your desired cooking needs, you have complete control over the cooking process, ensuring that your food is perfectly cooked every time. Whether you want to fry, bake, roast, or grill, this air fryer oven provides a wide range of cooking options to suit your preferences. The built-in timer is another useful feature that comes with this air fryer oven. You can easily set the timer for your desired cooking duration.
Number 5. The Cosori Mini Air Fryer is a remarkable kitchen appliance that provides convenience and efficiency in cooking. With its special feature of being dishwasher safe, it takes the hassle out of cleaning up after use. This feature is particularly beneficial for those with busy schedules or limited time for manual cleaning. In terms of dimensions, the Cosori Mini Air Fryer measures 10.1 inches in diameter, 8.3 inches in width, and 10.5 inches in height. Its compact size makes it suitable for small kitchens or limited countertop space. The sleek gray color of the air fryer adds a modern touch to any kitchen decor. It effortlessly blends in with other appliances and enhances the overall aesthetic appeal. Despite its compact size, The Cosori Mini Air Fryer boasts a generous capacity of 2.1 quarts. This capacity is perfect for individuals or small households, allowing them to prepare a variety of dishes such as fries, chicken wings, and even baked goods.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.